Project genderiro kongera bwingi bw'amizo mu town yibanda kandi ija korwa mburingo bwa kilomita 19 kurwa mugombora ya Rukiri a project ya Mukazanyara. Project egi etebekanisibwe korwa mbwire bw'emyezi 3 abwa billion 2.4.
So the objective of this project is to first of all improve the water supply reliability for those who are already getting supply on a rationing basis, and then to eventually extend supply to the places which are not yet covered.
Abyaro biri kumwe na Bukago muri Banda municipality igana 32 mbyo bitwire byinamizi maronjwe mu kitongore cya National Water bitu nababinamizaga gatwire ngaburabura.
Egi project neza kuba netwereza miliyoni 2 nechweka liters in liters miliyoni 2 nechweka per day. That is the design of this project.
The water coverage which is normally mentioned and talked about in Uganda, starting from Ibanda, is not actual. I was actually coming to your office because I actually wanted us to go checking pipe by pipe and see if there is water. You'll be surprised.
If we can sort out water, trust me, we are good to go. It is one of the hindrances for service delivery. So I am very happy with my other leaders of the district. Kureba pipe says tujyana school Ibanda municipality yaza kutungamiza.
Bakansara bibanda municipality nibajyangwa abantu babo batwire imbarabo mu mbere gumire kandi binamasco project egi neja kweraho cyango.
Rwanda tubitu nikizo cyamizi ombuye bwe cyanda munonga usanga edomora ya mizi yari hasingira 10 no kurenga konka bitata ni manyangwa mizo bwaza kubaho ikintu cyakwenja mize kaba mingi za kutuyamba
twendere tandikireyo tukenere munonga muri project zone nziza zigarikiro ko konka ryo mikacho corridor Ministeri kumusana munonga nabwo icyo nsaba project egi etandikire umucyaro ukitu.
Amakuru agasha kwa Timothy Mushabe.